everyone, welcome to Unit 6. Today we will learn how to use can for talking about abilities. In my case, I can play football and basketball, but I can't play baseball nor volleyball. You will see in this picture some of the abilities my friends have. As you can see in the picture, Devi can play hockey, but she can't swim. Josh can play tennis, but he can't play football. Ellie can swim, but she can't play volleyball. As we can see in affirmative, we use the verb can with the verb in infinitive, swim. They don't change. They are always the same. It doesn't matter the person you are using, as we are going to see later. For negative, she can't play volleyball. The verb doesn't change. What about the questions? Can Matt play football? Yes, he can. Can Matt play volleyball? No, he can't. Can Jenny play tennis? Yes, she can. Can Jenny play hockey? No, she can't. Can Julian swim? Yes, he can. Can Julian play hockey? No, he can't. Here we are going to see some of the most relevant aspects about can and can't. Remember that we use can for abilities. For instance, they can't climb a tree. He can't jump very high. As we can see here, well, they don't change, even though we are using different subjects in here. Can is always the same, and the verb doesn't change either. Can doesn't change for third person, as we saw before. So I can say, she can drive, or can she drive? You can stretch, or can you stretch? So here we can see that in questions we switch the verb, starting by using the modal verb can and then the subject. Another example. We can ride a bike, or can we ride a bike? And finally, can is normally used with another verb, as you can see the verbs in green. Those are the credits for the images. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.